Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi.
Marago bayendengi yo mwancho mwiri ankora ngangari tukoria oni goria berito erigo chakira twabogete kwika chinga kechiga chinga kinde cyabene ngo kwarigania SMS ito ya magana mayo mugasobo ne ganko manyesenchera ereyo gwenge muna botambere tane nkoro kwa Daniel umwaga hayari mutwe narabe ko bakingo kwarigeneria senchera yo gwenge. Amaya ekibiro byabonega ni gotocha kabene kurase county ya Nyamira sebono amenyi banya igwa imeye ward ya township county ya Nyamira ni gobe sokire na kwemurunkaneria igoro ye bara ekogenda ekanisa ya centro weka asensemo ya veterinary na boygo soke jwakali igoro uyo omoromu ogendrete kobekwa asebareyo asekelia nga amenyi abo igo bagoteba ni go moromu uyo oteriko bekwe senchire yawe karoni go bono bagoteba ngo mo contract uyo itamanye tike ya gendrete kokara engana boygo nigo yaswera MCA o township dio kimasira atanga chibesa babegete echiokorosie bareyo chitaratumika esenchereria ewendete
tigaba koreiga tigabarenga rese akorusio botabu obo bare tamagina buya agogwari kamutipara
abono twagechigwo moro mubekirwa twanyorigerire ono anamara babe kwaria tubwenerete komera chinyomba amoro muyo tari moro mwabeka bono tigamara bayara nigwe edrine cherigereri guchinsemo chonsi omoro mutoreteru obwekaino yorensa oyokonya togotaja twa sufiri nora sama tukamange tokorarameka tumenya koreterwa matobe omonto oyo bwa contract oyo bwate tore korosia muamwanjeranire andeka atobekara moro
epare atogechire pare yente getangani omoro mubekire gego utaimoro ukono gotongaina gototiza gototuba maiso akinya abana inchi bakanire batabiranga pa omoro muyo bekirwe gego utaimoro mwana mara batuteto omoro muyo begetuge go mutangani omoro mubwata magena none rorikere gotosete gotoriega ndu mutoro ime omonto ire pare okorosie pare tiga ndaira ne kerasi ime amanya na kichi pare chibwente korosiku na moro mukyo bwente gotumeka
bone tirimbo gete gwaito lakini ana mara babekirwa omogoko korwe skuru no gotirimboka bona ana mara batwa bekeru na ndawe takwenda roche embura de gocha gotugotana matobe
nabanya igubuna itu twakani la mara baya e contract yewa tigeira mara baya etoto mara mwomuya
oyo no mwishimo diuko yage masira pare nere gokonya na goconnect abantu ba minto bonsia
no mano mwishimo
abantu ba minto bonsia ba abanyene nyaigwa abatomenyete nyaigwa twensi pare ne tugutumia gochi central SDR goro twamboke togende twabwate pare twale goikera veterinary ngombu bona eline pare re mire gosine pare yabekero bakomo akinko bona naki eline pare korira ninkirende twa inkitotale gotigera amoro moyo rengo ikatokoreta maraba tumana gotuba moro moyo na beire to na chandekire kinganyite chitractor chitana gocha chibesa tu abekirende tu aire contractor inkiata gotokorira gasingiya eline para ogwancha ekorwe nonyene karabari gotaka kobeka mbali kora grade mbarosi nona sa macha go mbali kora beka na ningo no moro mutwari kobekeru aigane town mutwari gotigeru no moro mulinga moro mutwabwate bono down thing na egento ba mentira no muntu bono na mara ba menta umuntu atasoka kuri nyumba na bono runo ni nyumba bari bagosomira kuraiga baba goitana ebakori bamara abakori yega sponsor banyegetari no bakora so nakinda gete kubori abantu ba minto kibese cheino kiaba township ward moisa negete ngambye cyakora ingega cyayo eyero they will never be paid pake gasinge yakorire
togo tigana yo mwancho murelia terana gwikase county ya Kisii asebono niga university ya Kisii ya chakirie gikaro kya matuka 3 igoro ya mangana yobo tukiritko oria rero igoro na gusanga amo na wabwatani ao korwa chi university ao imeyense ya Kenya iri gusanga igoro yechinchera achoko bwaterana gukora obo tukibora konye gukora emechando iri kumunaria abanyabantu Amurubiri uyu no mukonyi na bayigo mu vice chancellor Professor Nathan Ogechi kuri university eyo uyo sangi nabariki amangana maya igoro yegekaro ekyo asalire ira yo gocha kugendera gukora ebikaro bunebyo byamatuko aribusyo.
He has also underscored very ably about collaboration and partnership.
Researchers, faculty members, students, and ladies and gentlemen, good morning.
Good. The Pearl of Africa, the place where privilege and many more who are with us from other places. But I'm also happy to note that we have
Njengo kwa yalibu ogechi nje vice chancellor ya Kisii University. Lero watu wachaga geko ranto bwate umusangarika muno monene oyitokoroka umusangarikano ogatatu igoro lyo bolingolia ase ensengima bolingolia bu mwaka oyo igo bwalentere abantu bakora bolingolia korwe science ndobwanta abantu barura America ndobwata abantu barura Nigeria ndobwata abantu barura Tanzania Uganda na ba Kenya ga na bandi ngocha bale igo twachaga kugamba igoro lia ngincho ki amangana yobolingolia atabu atichimbebe na atabu ataliko koraki ataliko otebanga abandi bale mbare excluded na kitu ensora chamo tokoro bolingolia elinde tonyale konyora amachivu aseme chando echandete mwanya bantu ekorome chande chandete mwanya bantu talige chande tumugusibweka talige chande tumukenya bweka ige chande tame abantu bonsi ensengima na keko atwale ndabantu abo bonsi korwa sebarwa okwendo obo manyole babwate gwetara sobolingoli bwabo tonyale kuisana nsamu tobwatera namo omoelio tonyale gukora konyora amachivu ayanyale aranyale otokonya twatebirenga artificial intelligence elia taligento kebe eko erengo ngotokonya kere twanyara konyora amachivu bwango ose engenche gotoroka lia stokonyara chinjira yotoroka lia stokonyara amachivu bwango lakini talinga toligera litusa iga artificial intelligence totumie ubolingoli obwo namangana twanyale kora se AI elinde tonyala kora ubolingolia bwago chigoro mono ebina bitonyara na bitotwa chakere kugamba nane tugambe rero nane tugambe mambia nane kero mwaka ntobe tokotwara egenteka birengeke
na togos kamoto mwancho mwirelia bono kobwatikana no kuno chogwe kina kiyo kabiro mukonyi ibo muraibwe nsena baigo muraibwe kya makeria gya DCP Geoffrey Gashagwa igoro yogo chiko gwe kigambero wakana go senate kunyi kumwaka na chishiringi 1 milioni 50 abakenya bono niko bagendete gwe sokia nanege micho Nairobi na kuribirengeri byabo igoro oyoko na chuko inga senate nyarako bageko mwaka na Gashagwa chiringi 1 milioni 50 yangu turagiria chinkwana cha bakenya ao anene kurege micho Nairobi.
Kwa majina naitwa Charles Akira. Unajua Gachagua amekuwa mtetezi amekuwa opposition leader. So long as amepata hii pesa, amepewa hii pesa, hata kuwa na ile nguvu ya kupigania ile haki ya Wakenya. Sasa hata kuwa ile opposition yako na nguvu. Aliambiwa wewe ulisashughulikiwa, ulisalipwa, wewe sasa tulia, ukue kama yani ni kama alipewa retirement.
Kwa majina naitwa Patrick Okumu, mkaaji wa Nairobi, msali wa Western Kakamega County. Mimi kwa maoni yangu kulingana na uamuzi wa mahakama walijaribu kuchanganya wa Kenya kitoko. Kwa sababu mimi nilisikia wanasema mchakato ikifika saiti ya bunge iliendeshwa kwa njia inayostahili. Lakini upande wa Senate ndio walilekeza, hawakufuata sheria. So right sa Gachagua silikeukwa saiti ya Senate. Sasa swali ikakuja, mchakato upande wa Senate haikuendeshwa vile inavyostahili, which means ilikuwa inatakikana Gachagua apate haki yake. Ambapo kwa maoni yangu mimi naona Mheshimiwa Ruto aliokopa kuita tu Gachagua kando, amwambie ndugu yangu wacha nikupe hii 50 million uacha na hii mambo, akatumia mambo ya mahakama. Sababu wewe niambia mkono mwingine mnasema mchakato iliendeshwa kwa njia mzuri, mkono mwingine mnasema Gachagua kupata haki yake. Unajua sasa wana confuse watu. Na kama hii ndio mahakama hii tunategemea hii Kenya, mimi siwezi kuwa nayo imani nayo. Huwezi niambia mtu alipwe, upande mwingine mnasema kuna makosa, upande mwingine mnasema iliendeshwa vizuri. Sasa which is which? Waliacha watu wakiwa confused. Wacha Gachagua aende court of appeal apate haki yake.
Tiganayu bono mwanchomureria nigo tugusuka mutua sema bwatani baria abakiombekeria kyobomo obwege siasa kenda mwananchi bari bokunyemeria serikali anene baria bakomwoko boko mugabana we county ya Nzoia George Natembeya nigo besokiri na komwoko boko asinjiri agendete kubagikeria muraibwense William Ruto mo speaker bwe bunge nene Moses Wetangula na boigo omwana wa waziri Musalia Mudavadi asekeringa igobone serikali yasinyire emirimo se balire ira yogacha kwendera gusira George Natembeya na boige kiombekio kyalinda mwananchi.
Tunataka tumshukuru Mheshimiwa George Natembeya kwa kuanzisha vuguvugu la kupinga Ruto, kupinga Weta, kupinga Musalia na vibaraka vivyo vyote. Hilo vuguvugu ndilo limepatia Sifuna msingi. Na tunamshukuru pia George Natembeya kwa kukubali kutembea na mwenzake.
Natembeya amelimba shamba ya Western na amelimba shamba yote na iko tayari sasa kuanza kupandwa. Ule ambaye anakuja na mbegu ni Mheshimiwa Sifuna. Na ukipata mbegu ingine ambayo unapewa huku Western kupanda, jua hiyo itaoza. Mbegu lazima uangalie kama jina ya Sifuna iko pale, hiyo ndio mbegu ambayo itafanya nini? Itamea. Sisi tunasema kwamba hao vibaraka lazima wakuwe na table manners. Wakule kama Mheshimiwa Otichilo. Wakitaka kujua pia sisi hatuna shida, sisi hatuna chuki nao, mbona tunasema Otichilo anakula vizuri? Kwa sababu Otichilo analeta maendeleo kwake Vihiga bila kutukana Sifuna, bila kutukana Natembeya.
Na sisi tunashukuru, tunasema Sifuna, watu wamekupenda si ati kwa sababu una pesa. Wamekupenda because of your integrity. Na tunajua hiyo integrity yako itaendelea mbele, wa Kenya wakikubali, wakikupigia kura kama president wa Kenya. Na sisi kina mama wa Western tunasema tumebeba mimba ya miezi 9 na tunaenda kuzaa mtoto Sifuna 2027.
George Natembeya amesema kwamba na ametutuma hapa kama watu wa Trans Nzoia kwamba msifikirie George Natembeya wanaenda kugawana kama vile
na tugutigana ituske mutu mwanchungeria sebono abarai ao kurwa sensemo oye bungeri ya emwadikiri bakorona bachibu na boigo ono mugabana bwe county ya Narok nigo besokire na gwakirambo yamo nigitambukiro kigo cyakyo ku University ya Joanna Ngeno asechinsemo chiebungeyo Ngeno mwanchungeria nigakabeire umubunge yebetaka usirugi mabwayi gwetino wasikono mbe ebwendege bono nigabare bagokire gitambukiro kyo aso mugabana bwe county ya Narok ayene kiribuna university nigo cyo cyaka kwira aborokiwa gochakirimo tienyu kianda obwo mwakoyo.
Na hii ni baraka kwa uongozi nikiwa chief wa eneo hilo. Siku ya leo inaingia historia na ni university ambayo itaongeza idadi ya vyuo vikuu katika nchi yetu ya Kenya.
The people of Emurua Dikir wanted to honor Mheshimiwa Joanna Ngeno. So the university will be called Joanna Ngeno Masai Mara College. The first students will be admitted, if everything goes as planned, by September. The intake will be September because we already have an institution that we can start with. And the people of Emurua Dikir, the people of Kilgoris constituency and Transmara South will be able to benefit with a new branch of Masai Mara.
Kirelia ni gobono mubunge bwensemo ye bunge ya Kiarwa muskini ni Nyoro esokire na gukwanira igoro yengana yo kwenda gusaba makabesa mange emergency ya Kenya. Nyoro uyokwana korwa se bunge ne mecho Nairobi nigatebeno ikabona igani gense ya Kenya ebwata makabesa ikai trilioni 3 na satebiringa na bare ikego ikachi trilioni 14 wikera omwako gocha korengana nere negetambukero kira chikobeka ba Kenya asa kongu anene umusigo mone woguchigwa kana makabesa USA myaka ere mutwe.
Because it is clear committee did its work. Instead of singing choruses to the executive, they have actually pointed in their reports that we are in a very dire situation when it comes to the debt situation in this country. That now Kenya is at 13 trillion Kenya shillings in public debt, Honorable Speaker, projected to be over 14 trillion Kenya shillings by mid of next year. Honorable Speaker, This is just an accumulation of the decisions that we continue to take, and especially now, where we are digging the hole even deeper, even when we are in it. That every day, Honorable Speaker, Kenya is borrowing 1.2 trillion Kenya shillings every year. And currently, including today, if you average what you are borrowing, Honorable Speaker, is that you are borrowing 4 billion Kenya shillings in net terms every single day, Honorable Speaker. Net terms meaning even after accepting refinancing, where you borrow the SACCO to pay the Shylock. We have even accepted that, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, this is a very unprecedented situation because in the year from 2002, our debt was 600 billion Kenya shillings. During the reign of President Mwai Kibaki, he borrowed only 1.2 trillion Kenya shillings in his entire 10 years. Honorable Speaker, we are now borrowing more money per year than Honorable Mwai Kibaki borrowed for the entire 10 years, Honorable Speaker. We are now borrowing 500 billion Kenya shillings more than the era of President Uhuru Kenyatta. That at around that time from 2013 all the way to 2022, Kenya was borrowing an average of 700 billion Kenya shillings every year. Now we are borrowing 1.2, and especially out of this year, Honorable Speaker. And I ask this government, do you want to break the record of borrowing? I think the better records to break are the records of good governance, not the records of profligate borrowing, as we see it now, Honorable Speaker. And what is even more worrying is that whatever I'm reporting before this House is actually what we would call official debt. This government has gone further, something that has never been done ever. That from last year, we have now opened a separate book where we are calling it many names. In one name, it's called securitization. In another name, it's called Talanta Board. Illegal borrowing. That as we talk before this House today and to Kenyans, that this government is now beyond over borrowing more than all the other previous years. We now want to even borrow and use the housing levy as collateral. And we are doing that so that we do not report these debts in the actual books that are known across the world.
Na togotiga na yukuru asebungene ne mwancho mweria tuske mutu asebono abaibori na baiga babwatani ao babori bigukwanira abana babo anane chinga kichi ebikorwa byo gusamba chiskuru bigenderete kwenekibwa chinsemo ao imense ya Kenya ukuno kuboria kwa rurwe hamwe no mwaziri w'ekisemi Julius Migo Sogamba asate biringa wika kalenda ya masomo yetamu yega ya kabere abwatibwe na nigaba rokibo barachikogenda komotienyo osumoto mokomo kachitari kemeronge na inye wekachitari kemeronge na isone so chimotienyo yega Migosi nigabona boigo ayenekirenga serikali yego chiagotegerera okugania kwa aborokibwa eryo kwenekinga muchanda w'ekisukuru gusambwa nkwina nolense imeyense ya Kenya.
It is a shared responsibility as education sector players, ranging from the government, the parents, the guardians, our leaders and community leaders, policy makers, school heads and teachers, to ensure that our education system serves the best interests of our children. It is our duty, and I dare say a sacrosanct one, to nurture our children in the values and virtues that grow them into law-abiding and responsible citizens that will continue to contribute positively to the development of our country and not to destruction. Following due consultations within the government and other stakeholders, we wish therefore to announce the following measures going forward. To establish and address underlying causes of this perennial challenge of student unrest, we shall be forming a multi-stakeholder team to review the causes of unrest and make recommendations on strategies for stemming this challenge. The midterm break for the second term of the 2026 school year will take place as scheduled from the 24th of June 2026 to the 28th of June 2026. Parents and guardians are urged to use the break to spend time with their children and provide guidance and support for them. Any grievances or concerns should be articulated appropriately and shared with schools and other relevant authorities for action. Schools shall urgently convene consultative parents' associations meetings to review the state of affairs and learners' welfare in their respective schools. The schools shall strengthen safety measures and address any concerns and grievances that learners may have raised before the end of the half term. The schools shall also intensify guidance and counseling programs and strengthen learners' grievances handling mechanisms.
Wancho mwerelia oroboti orua yo mwaziri wechisemi migoso gamba na roto kiteke 19 yochinse 10 igoro chabana marago banabwe no ntete kunyaguka na gukora mangana mayese nche yomekurete seni kyao kyabenegian soko TV koreni ndakora nkoma nyinga bana tukwanega hanigo omoraiwe kya makeri kya Wiper Steven Kalonzo Musyoka agendrete gukwana hanabari kya mangana mayakorwe SSM ya magacho yechi abisi chiaye igoro ya People's Budget Proposal on alternative proposal yani budget area korengana Kenya barobata getabanyene anekere budget yenyewe kigosomo mutinyo ugatano onalimo niko bare hamo onomurai omokonyo murai kama keregia Jubilee Fred Okengo Matiang'i bare hamo onomurai Justin Muturi nabo igo murai kama keregia DCP Yuma Kenya na Geoffrey Rigathi Gachagua bonsi bako akwanda bakenya igoroye budget ira bakenya baganye tikorende tari budget ira bakenya bako baga kubekero kitese nikyo kyabenegian soko TV kichiko kuletera ayons na yanda mange ensa ya marago babu na bere kabako kwanwa anele Clinton ndigi ba kunyana ya mase ya moni barongo ya Frida Kerubo bakumanya sobonge igoro chinkwana chabare yabo igoro ya People's Budget Proposal yo mwaka ichubere 2025 nomo igonkoro kwa Daniel Omwaga mega yemenyonto nigoto mabwata Kelvin Magoi mona Felistas Kabendi na bonsi nigonkunganilia Omar Gwaboro muya ase eniaba ayabo. Bye bye.